If you want to learn how to create a watch icon in Figma quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step method using a free plugin so you can add a clean watch icon to your design in just a few clicks. This is perfect for UI design, prototypes, app mockups, or any project where you need a watch symbol without drawing it from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Figma tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump into Figma and get started. First, open your Figma design file and go to the bottom toolbar. Look for the Actions icon at the bottom toolbar and click it. This is where Figma lets you access extra tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. Once the Actions menu opens, click on Plugins and Widgets. This section gives you access to third-party tools that can help you insert icons, automate tasks, and work much faster inside Figma. Since we want to add a watch icon, we're going to use one of the most popular icon plugins available. Now in the search bar, type Iconify. After that, search for it and run the plugin. Iconify is a powerful icon library plugin that gives you access to thousands of icons right inside Figma, so you don't have to leave your project or manually download SVG files from somewhere else. It's a huge time saver, especially when you need consistent design elements. When Iconify opens, you'll see a search field inside the plugin. In that search bar, type watch and then click enter. This will filter the icon library and show you all the watch-related icons available. You may see different styles depending on the icon set, so you can choose the one that best fits your design. Take a moment to browse the results and select the watch icon you want. Once you find the right one, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. That's it. The icon is now placed in your design and ready to be resized, recolored, or adjusted to match your layout. From here, you can scale the icon up or down, change its color, and position it exactly where you need it. Because Iconify inserts editable vector icons, you can easily make it look consistent with the rest of your interface. This is especially useful if you're building dashboards, mobile apps, e-commerce designs, or time-based UI elements. And that's how you create a watch icon in Figma using Iconify. Super simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.